They call it giving up. I call it a promotion. Listen, I pour my bourbon in a quiet room. No heavy boots to stomp away the gloom. No second shifter wiping up his mess, or shrinking down to make his ego less. I bought the canvas and I chose the paint. This independent woman is no saint, but my bank account is heavy and my schedule's clear. The sweetest piece I've tasted in a year. Oh, this independence is a golden crown. It never lets me down or drags me down. No emotional labor, no games to be played. Just a queen resting easy in the kingdom she made. It's safe, it's proud, it's beautifully complete. But a palace gets cold when it's just your own feet. The cons arrive when Sunday evening crawls, and I'm the only beauty inside these walls. These stubborn jars that I must twist alone, and no one calling on my smartphone. There's no warm shoulder for a weary head, just extra pillows on a queen-sized bed. I am the captain of a luxury ship with no co-pilot for the weekend trip. I tell the world I'm done with all the fools. I burnt the playground and I changed the rules. But if I close my eyes, let the armor fall behind the confidence and the high brick wall. If that fantasy man wasn't just a ghost, the kind of man who loves where it matters most, honey, I wouldn't hesitate, I wouldn't fight. I'd have him on remote control tonight. Oh, you know I would. Press power, wake him up. A golden crown. It never lets me down or drags me down. No emotion, no labor, no games to be played. Just a queen resting easy in the kingdom she made. It's safe, it's proud, it's beautifully complete. But a palace gets cold when it's just your own feet. I'd press play and let him through, skip the letdowns that the old ones do. Fast forward through the heartbreaks and the lies, and keep him paused right there inside my eyes. But until that phantom man can match my score, I'll sip my drink, lock my door, and love this mature woman just a little bit more.